Hello everybody, AB Trains here, back with another video, and welcome back to Grand Continental Railways once again. Today we're going to be doing the route between Gothlan and Giles Mount via the Landfield branch. We'll be calling at Wixbridge and Landfield along the way before terminating at Giles Mount. Our attraction for this trip is a Class 508 in a 4-car formation. So sit back, relax, enjoy the journey. Departing away from Gothlan, the speed limit is 30 miles an hour. The next stop will be Wixbridge, which has not long made a return to the game, having been in operation on a different line. We're currently crossing the main line onto the Landfield branch. The main line leaves us to the right. The speed limit now goes up to 40 miles an hour. May have done a bit of an oopsie there, but never mind. Just past a level crossing. I'm unaware of what the name is. Now coming up to Wixbridge. And here we are, arrival at Wixbridge. As we head out of Wixbridge, the speed limit is now 75 miles an hour. The next stop will be Landfield, or as I probably want to call it, Landfield Main Station, because there's two Landfield stations. There's Landfield North and there's the actual Landfield station itself, but without the secondary name. Now passing a disused station, which indicates that there will be a line coming in to our right, which is just there. That's the line heading towards Morsford High Level, stations to Fatherwell and Seaforth. The Seaforth line has been covered in a previous video, go and check that out if you haven't done so already. And the Fatherwell route will be featured in a future video. And the Landfield North line comes in from the left. We're now approaching Landfield Station. And here we are, arrival at Landfield. As we depart away from Landfield, the speed limit is 75 miles an hour, but will shortly be going down to 40 miles an hour. The next and final stop will be Giles Mount. So the speed limit has gone down to 40, so I'm going to cut off power and just let the train coast for a wee bit before we have to apply the brakes again for the speed reduction to 30 miles an hour, which is just coming up now. The line becomes single track momentarily until we join up with the main line again. Which is just coming in from the right. Also coming in from the right is the line to Bexley Junction. And shortly the speed limit will be going down to 20 miles an hour on the final approach to Giles Mount. Ignore the clock in the background, it just doesn't know when to shut up. Always going off at the wrong time. No pun intended. But anyways, here we are, arrival at Giles Mount, where this video terminates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe with notifications turned on. And I shall see you in the next video. Better by Nacht.